In this video, you will learn about change management in BMC Helix ITSM. We will see how to create a change request, check change collision, impact analysis, and approve the change requests. But before that, you might ask, why do you need change management? To answer this question, let's look at these scenarios that you might face. You need to install an application on your laptop, but you realize that you don't have enough disk space. Or several machines in your office have crashed because of a new virus, and you need to urgently install the antivirus. Or you have an important presentation and your laptop suddenly crashes. You can fix all these issues easily and quickly by creating a change request by using BMC Helix ITSM Change Management. To create a change request from the main menu, click Create New and then click Change Request. Here, let's create a change request by using a change template. As you can see, many change templates are available and you can select the template that is appropriate for you. When you use a change template, most of the fields in the change request such as summary, description, change class are automatically entered for you and this saves time. When you create a change request for assets, you can relate the assets to the change request. To do this, click Add Configuration Items. In the search criteria, enter the keywords and press Enter. Select the assets that you want to relate, select the association type, and click Add. We have successfully created the change request. But, can you be sure that the change request will be implemented smoothly? No, because it needs to be approved first. You must check that the asset that you selected does not have another change request created for it at the same time, and so on. Let's look at how BMC Helix ITSM Change Management can help you to implement the change request successfully and quickly. Coming back to one of the earlier scenarios, let's assume that one of the servers that was affected by the virus was an application server. If we create a change request to install antivirus on this server, it will affect the other machines that access the applications on this server. To view the assets that are impacted by the change request, open an existing change request. From the More menu, click Initiate Impact Analysis. You can view the impacted assets in a graphical format or a tabular format. If two change requests need to access the same asset and at the same time, we have collision. By using BMC Helix ITSM Change Management, you can detect if there is a collision between change requests. Click Show More to view the change conflict. Now let's look at change approval. Before the change request gets implemented, it might need approval at one or more stages. If you are an approver, you can approve the change request by email or from the change request. To approve a change request, open an existing change request, click More, and then click Approval List. Select the approval process that you want to approve, reject, or keep the change request on hold. In this way, you use BMC Helix ITSM Change Management to create a change request. Check if there is a collision between CIs and the impact of the change request. And if everything is in order, approve the change request. With this, we come to the end of our video. Thanks for watching. For more information, you can visit docs.bmc.com. You can find the link for Change Overview in the video description.